Dawa igoti itugiru ugitiri ugacirithitio na njira nene guku na barabara irigereire igoti-ini riu ihingitwo na aria marekinyia kuo no aria mari na kadi cia kuonania ni metikiritio na ona arumiriri a mwahu wa NASA marurungana nginyagia hakuhi na igoti riu makienda gutabania mahoya kumana na cira uria urathie na mbere igoti-ini riu no indi matinetikirio.
Every Kenya is looking upon today. This is the place, Lord, that judgment upon the entire Kenya is supposed to be made. And because you call yourself righteous judge, Lord, we call you to be present in that court. Take the uppermost seat. Control the minds of those men and women.
Na thutha wa kugiana na maafitha ya kwa ihinda.
Wewe ni nani? No. We are talking na hawa ni wakubwa wako tunaongea na wao. No, but this is prayer. No, what is the problem? Yes, we are still praying. Mheshimiwa wapi?
Mimi ni senator na.
Nyata senator rock. Eda na. No. Eda na rock.
My prayer to you. Don't ever say that.
Maafitha acio matiuma no ndungi otiga kumaruturura hau kia hinya. Arumiriri aya makigiana na maafitha nja wa igoti riri mutongoria wa mwahu wa NASA Raila Odinga hamwe na atongoria angi a mwahu ucio makunyitanire na Kristo kanitha-ini wa All Saint Cathedral guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi. Mahinyiririe ati cira uyu githiaga na mbere arumiriri ake maheo mweke matabanie mahoya nja igoti riu.
That police officer does not understand the law. He is notified so that he can provide security, not that he can give permission. We are past that. We did away with the Public Order Act, we did away with the Chiefs Authority Act. Those laws no longer exist in our country.
Ningi no moigite mari na mwihoko na igoti noguo kihoto ni gikuoneka.
The court process has started and everybody is praying that justice will be done at the courts.
No nao maafitha a borithi ni mehandite kinyi na kuga gutire mundu megwitikiria gukorwo ari hakuhi na igoti riu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwerekwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.